Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, September 19, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, September 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 19, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, September 19, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 18 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 61 million pesos for September 19, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, September 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.